What's up guys, today's video we're going to unbox, set up and review this ANNKE Creator 2 smart camera. Let's start right away after this intro. In this video, we are going to set up and check the quality of this device. This is the ANNKE Creator 2 camera, an indoor surveillance camera with AI features. We will check it later one by one after setting up the device. The package includes a quick start guide or manual in multiple language, an authenticity reminder from Amazon, micro USB cable, 5 watts AC adapter, and some screws with mounting plate. And here's the ANNKE Creator 2 camera, a 3 megapixel Full HD plus camera sensor and microphone on the front side. This QR code with some random letters below is the device ID or user's ID of this particular camera. You will need this for connecting the app. And also on the back side of the camera is the speaker and micro USB port. First things first, you need to download my ANNKE app. It is available on Android and iOS. Just download the app and sign up register. And after you register on my ANNKE app, enter your credentials then sign in. Next step is click on the plus icon to add device and make sure you enable the location services of your smartphone. Click on Smart Camera Device Type and you need to power on the ANNKE Creator 2. Just plug in your USB to the device and wait for few seconds.
Power on.
After this one, scan the QR code of your ANNKE Creator 2 for the device ID. On this part, there are two methods to link the device, but we are going to select by sound connectivity since it is also recommended by the app. For initial setup, you must connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi so that your smart camera can find your phone with my ANNKE app and vice versa for account linking. In my case, my smartphone is connected to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so we need to switch to 2.4 before we continue. After connecting your phone to a 2.4 Wi-Fi, you will hear a configuration sound, meaning you need to hold your phone near the device in order to link the Creator 2 to your Wi-Fi. And after that, just name your device and we successfully added the Creator 2 to my ANNKE app. And here guys, my initial test on ANNKE Creator 2. I tried to hover left and right. It has a delay of around 2 to 3 seconds. This might be depending with the internet speed, but the footage is accurate enough to see what's going on with the subject or focus. And here's the actual footage of me taken by ANNKE Creator 2. The recorded footage is 2304 by 1296 and so I call it a Full HD Plus resolution. And here is the night vision of ANNKE Creator 2, including the motion detection. Detection sensitivity is adjustable and the night vision is clear enough to distinguish my movements since it has a distinct feature under the 6 IR LEDs of this device. You can hear sound that picks up on this camera, and also if you're outside or far from home, you can use this smart camera as a speaker. Let's say you want to talk to your baby or a pet. Next is the alarm system. It can be automated by turning on the alarm and choose like an alarm tone. Once the camera detects a movement and you will be notified, or manually blast an alarm using the app and the speaker will output this kind of sound. You can save your footage via cloud storage. Here the package for online storage, and there is a free trial. Or you can also use an NVR or network video recorder, a separate device which I only recommend if you have a multiple camera setup. Or you can simply use a microSD card to save those footage, or just simply use your phone storage to save those recordings via my ANNKE app. My conclusion with this ANNKE Creator 2 smart camera, it does really support the motion, human, and sound detection, which is a main component feature for a smart camera. This device have a pan tilt of 360-120, but if I try to rotate the camera all around, it stops at 13-point angle, let's say point A, and the only way to go to this point B is to swipe rotate to the other side until you reach that point. Not much of a hassle because at least the app is easy to use to navigate the footage and with those straightforward functions on its settings. For Alexa support, it can be bind and connected, but there is no actual use. I might be wrong, but they may be ended the support for ANNKE camera skill functionality because I tried to voice command or even view the live footage on Alexa, but it always shows something like this. Nevertheless, the My ANNKE app have all the essential features you need for a smart camera, so a third-party app is not really needed. And lastly, the power efficient. Only 5 watts is needed to make this device work, so I recommend using a smart camera like this for your indoor setup rather than using your typical 12 volt surveillance. Special thanks to ANNKE and Quantum Solutions for sending out this Creator 2 that made this review possible. And thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and follow for more uploads of surveillance cameras.